Have you ever wondered why some outfits just look cheap, no matter how much money is spent? The truth is, it's not about money. It's about avoiding certain fashion mistakes. In this video, we're going to show you 7 common mistakes that make your style look cheap, and more importantly, we'll share simple fixes that will instantly elevate your look. By the end, you'll know how to look polished, elegant, and effortlessly expensive. Confidence and attention to detail are key, so let's get started. One of the most common mistakes is wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Whether your outfit is too tight, too loose, or baggy, it can instantly make your look feel cheap. The fix is simple: tailoring. Even affordable clothing can look high-end with a few adjustments, like hemming pants, taking in a blouse, or adjusting sleeve lengths. Always check the fit in the mirror from every angle. When your clothes fit perfectly, you'll look much more polished and expensive. Another mistake is wearing too many trendy pieces at once. When your outfit is full of fast fashion trends, it can feel chaotic or try hard. The key is balance. Pair one trendy item with classic staples. For example, combine trendy sneakers with tailored jeans and a simple white shirt. This way, your look feels modern but still elegant. Stick to one statement trend per outfit to maintain a chic and refined style. Wearing too many designer logos is a mistake that often makes an outfit look cheap or flashy. Instead of relying on logos to show status, go for minimalism. Let quality, fit, and subtle accessories speak for you. A simple Chanel bag, a classic belt, or understated designer shoes will elevate your look without screaming brand names. Remember, less is more when it comes to logos. Neglecting accessories is another way an outfit can feel cheap. Accessories are the details that pull a look together. Investing in 3 to 5 statement pieces, like a nice watch, elegant earrings, a structured handbag, or classic shoes, can instantly upgrade your outfit. Less is more here, too. Choose quality over quantity. Even a simple outfit can look high-end when paired with the right accessories. Wearing clothes that are faded, pilled, or worn out is a quick way to make any outfit look cheap, no matter the price. The fix is maintenance. Iron your shirts, polish your shoes, mend small tears, and wash your clothes properly. Paying attention to these small details makes a huge difference. Clean, neat, and well-maintained clothes automatically give off a more expensive vibe. Another mistake is wearing too many bright colors or clashing patterns. While prints and color can be fun, too much can look chaotic and cheap. The key is coordination. Stick to neutral palettes and use one statement piece per outfit. For example, a beige blazer with black pants and a subtle patterned scarf creates an elegant and refined look. Coordinated color schemes always appear more sophisticated and expensive. Shoes are often overlooked, but they can make or break your outfit. Cheap, scuffed, or ill-fitting shoes instantly lower the perceived quality of your look. Invest in 3 to 5 classic pairs that work with multiple outfits, like black pumps, white sneakers, ankle boots, and loafers. Clean, polished shoes elevate your entire appearance and show attention to detail. Remember, shoes are one of the first things people notice. In addition to these 7 mistakes, there are a few bonus tips that make a big difference. First, posture and grooming are just as important as your clothes. Stand tall, keep your nails neat, and make sure your hair and skin are well cared for. Second, minimal makeup and accessories often appear more luxurious than overdoing everything. Lastly, confidence is everything. Walk like you own your outfit, and people will perceive your style as elegant and expensive, no matter the price. To recap, avoiding these 7 mistakes and using simple fixes can instantly elevate your style. Focus on fit, coordination, quality accessories, shoes, and confidence. Which of these mistakes do you relate to the most? Comment below. We would love to know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more chic style tips, and share it with a friend who wants to upgrade their wardrobe. Remember, looking expensive isn't about the price tag. It's about attention to detail, confidence, and smart styling.